everybody and welcome to day 4. So today we're gonna do lower body workout, 5 minutes AMRAP, and let's go through the proper form. So first one, we're gonna do deadlift. So your shoulders are back is straight, you're hinging in your hips, bending slightly in your knees, and then lower the barbell or your dumbbells until the middle of your shin bones. Make sure that you're contracting the core muscles as well and you're feeling your hamstrings. The second exercise we are doing is side lunge, and we're gonna have dumbbells in a goblet position, and you're gonna step aside and make sure that your feet are facing forward and you're actually leaning on your bended leg, and like you would want to sit on a chair. The other leg is fully extended. And of course you do the same thing on the other side. The fourth exercise is gonna be side jump lunges, and this is a little bit more dynamic. And make sure also that your back is straight. You can touch the floor with your fingers and you just jump side to side. All right, are you ready? Let's hit this 5 minute AMRAP.
Maybe you're not too slow. Maybe you're not too slow.
Tell me how and I'll do it, babe. Cause I just wanna make you feel what I do about you. So just tell me how and I'll do it, babe. I love it when you whisper in my ear, words only meant for me to hear. Promise that your secret's safe with me. You're the only reason, yes, you're the only reason. Baby, you're the answer to my prayers. Feeling like the world's in our hands.